Before I decided to put out this record, the very first one, I had to get the blessing from the Rebbe in Eretz Yisrael. I couldn't do it on my own.
Oh.
I had to ask him first. And at that time, you didn't make telephone calls like you make today. Anytime I want to talk to Israel, I pick up the phone, I go call him like I'm calling Borough Park,
Doesn't matter, yeah.
It's the same thing. Then, to call somebody in Israel, I don't know, I wonder whether they had a telephone even at that time. I wasn't sure you had a telephone yet. See, a telephone was very difficult to get at that time.
Yes.
They were rationed, actually, So I wrote him a letter. I said, I have this proposal for people are bothering me already for a long time. They want to put out a record of the Modzitzer nigunim. And I kept saying no, but then now, they wore me down, and we're doing rehearsing and everything else, but I would like the Rebbe to write me whether it's the proper thing to do. I didn't get an answer. He probably had a problem giving me telling me what to do. If he says no, it means it's no. But if he says yes, he has to think twice. To be the first one to put out a Hassidic record, you have to have broad shoulders, to do it. So he was afraid of that. So I had somebody that traveled to Israel at that time, a good friend of mine who knew the Rebbe very well, and I said, you have to bring back a yes or no answer. If he says no, I have to give it up. If he says yes, then we'll go ahead with it. Sure enough, he came back and they discussed it. This fellow was in the choir also. He sang in the choir. They have a very, very, very wonderful singer. He was a Zion Shenker in Manhattan later. So he came back and he discussed the whole thing. We told him exactly the pros and cons of the whole thing. And the Rebbe said, yes, you do it. Do it. He gave his blessing. And Baruch Hashem, and this was this was the catalyst for more and more.
For everybody.